Students, in the exercise 2.2, the first problem, in the figure 2.171 and second figure, first figure and second figure, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Here also DE is parallel to BC. So we have to find out EC. The length of EC we had to calculate in the first figure, and the length of AD to be calculated in the second figure. So in the solution part, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. According to basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD will be equal to AE by EC. This is because of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Value of AD is 1.5 divided by BD, length of BD is 3 centimeters, equals AE 1 centimeter divided by CE. On cross multiplying, CE into 1.5 is equal to 3 into 1. Now CE is equal to 3 into 1 divided by 1.5. As we know that 1.5 divides 1.5 one time, divides 3 two times. So the length of CE is equal to 2 ones are 2 centimeters. So in this way we calculated the value of EC. Now in the second figure, in triangle ABC, as we know that DE is parallel to BC, according to basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD equals AE by CE. This is because of BPT. Now write the values of AD. We do not know. Length of BD 7.2 equals AE 1.8 divided by CE is equal to 5.4. As we know that this, on cross multiplying, AD is equal to 1.8 divided by 5.4 into 7.2. Now you can divide 1.8 ones are, 1.8 threes are. Now you can divide 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Point as it is. Now here it is 1, 3 fours are. So at last we get DAD is equals to 2.4 centimeters. In the second problem, E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. So the condition, the values are given here. PE equals 3.9 centimeters, EQ equals 3 centimeters, PF equals 3.6 and FR equals 2.4. So let me draw the triangle first. Let's draw a triangle PQR. As we know that E is a point on PQ. Let me take a point E on PQ and another point F on PR, and I will join this. Now I am given 3.9. This is 3.9 centimeters. EQ is equal to 3 centimeters. PF is equal to 3.6 and FR is equals to 2.4 centimeters. All these are in centimeters. Okay. Now I have to check whether this line EF is parallel to QR or not. So in the solution part, in triangle ABC, let me write PE by EQ equals PF by FR. This implies PE equals 3.9 divided by EQ is 3 equals PF 3.6 divided by 2.4. As we know that 3 divides 3 one time, 3 divides 3.9 1.3 times. Okay, here 12 1.2 into 2 is 2.4, 1.2 into 3 is 3.6, then here it is 2 times, here it is 3 times, 2 ones are 2 1.5s are. As you know that 1.3 is not equal to 1.5, since PE divided by EQ is not equal to PF divided by FR, therefore EF is not parallel to QR. We arrived to the conclusion that PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR, therefore we can say that EF is not parallel to QR. In the second problem, PE equals 4 centimeters, QE equals 4.5 centimeters, PF equals 8 centimeter and RF equals 9 centimeter. So let us draw a triangle PQR. Let E be a point on PQ, F is another point on PR, EF is joined such that PE is equal to 4, QE is equal to 4.5, this is 8, this is 9. Now in the solution part, in triangle PQR, PE divided by EQ equals PF divided by EFR. Let's check whether they are equal or not. 4 by 4.5 equals 8 by 9. So let us multiply cross. 4 into 9 equals 4.5 into 8. 4 9s are 36 equals 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32, 36. We are getting the same result. 36 is equal to 36.0. Since the products are same, therefore PE by EQ is equals to PF by FR. This implies EF is parallel to QR. Students, in the same second problem, third sub question, in this triangle PQR, PQ side is given 1.28 centimeters. This complete is given 1.28 centimeters. PR is equals to complete from here to here it is 2.56 centimeters. P is equal to 0.18. PF is equal to 0.36. Okay. So what we do in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 1.28 centimeters. PQ is nothing but PE plus EQ equals 128 centimeters. We know that PE is equal to 0.18. 0.18 plus EQ equals 1.28 centimeters. Then EQ equals 1.28 centimeters minus 0.18 centimeters. So EQ equals 1.28 minus 0.18 is equal to 1.1 centimeters. Because 8 minus 8 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, point as it is 1. Similarly, we know that PR equals 2.5 centimeters, 2.56 centimeters. PR is nothing but PF plus FR equals 2.56 centimeters. PF we do not know. Sorry, PF is given 0.36 plus FR equals 2.56 centimeters. Then FR equals 2.56 minus 0.36. Then on subtracting, then we get FR is equal to 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 3 is 2.2 as it is 2.2. Now let's verify PE by EQ equals PF by EFR. P is 0.18 divided by EQ is, here we got 1.1, equals PF 0.36 divided by 2.2. Okay, as we know that this is divisible by 2, 1.1, this is divisible 0.18. This implies 0.18 by 1.1 equals 0.18 divided by 1.1. Since the ratios are same, therefore PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. This implies EF is parallel to QR.